So with Straight Teeth Direct, you can get straight teeth at home under the supervision of a licensed orthodontist. All you need is your phone or computer to go through all the guided steps and ultimately check in with your dentist for your aligner reviews. So you may be wondering, who is this for? Am I suitable? How do I find out if I am suitable? And I'm gonna cover all this for you now. So Straight Teeth Direct is a solution that's ideal for adults and teens over 16 years old. It works to straighten crooked teeth, overlapping teeth, crowded teeth, but also close gaps, or improve your arch shape, or even improve your overbite. Generally, it's ideal for people with old and natural teeth, so if you have a bridge or veneers or an implant, your case will have to be individually assessed and you will be able to know if it could work around that or not. And to find out for sure if you are suitable, the best way is to get your case professionally reviewed, and this step is completely free. You just need to send photos of your teeth and answer an online questionnaire, and you'll receive your results on the same day. And if after that you have any questions, feel free to ask them through your secure account, and the person who reviewed your case will be right back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon on Straight Teeth TV and StraightTeethDirect.com.